Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I am going to show you a place where animals used to come and drink water in this pond. So this pond in local language they call GP. GP is a famous pond where different animals comes to drink water in different times. Animals like elephants, wild pig, deer, and so on. These animals comes in different times in this place. So this pond is located in the East Karbi Anglong district of Nilip constituency in Borkum area. So you could see this is the animals, elephants. Yes, this afternoon came and drank the water, and this water is very salty, very salty. So different animals used to come here at different times. See, this is the pond where animals used to come and drink water every day.
Karam Dharmali. Good evening to you all, my dear friends. So today I'll show you the place where elephants used to come and drink here in this pond. So this is the pond called GP. GP means this is the ponds, the big ponds, which elephant used to come and drink and fetch their water here. So you have seen here right now, this is the place, and you could see the dung of that elephants. So here some of my friends has accompanied me. So in this forest reserve is the place where they used to come. See, this is the open place. They used to come this place through these directions and get the water into that water, and especially during summer they used to come and get inside this pond, and this pond is called GP. This is very famous in Karbi Anglong. So you could see, dear friends, here it is located in the Nilip constituency of this Karbi Anglong district. So I'll show you this place. Dear friends, it is very historical place, and I will take you to this place.
Kasi dormari atum no nang tum thelo lake ingar ahi. On het jong ingar atum. Bangso GP ano lang nang gejun tang a bot no. Asli yang tum hana paklang bom lonon. Labang so GP lake nilip ak constituency along sido. Bortum ahawar. Lasi labang so GP along. Jong si ingnar tum adab bang lo pulutang te. Tijok atum arni kang sambang po. Apan anar lo jitim lake hak leng atum bang po. Ason tak si akaprek amarat maring temi labang so GP along lang nang gejun wang bang. Arni wang temi labang so GP along si wang bang. GP alang lake ingtido pikan nasi marat maring temi ladak si lang nang tujun rinti. Nason si akaprek marat maring temi labang so alang bialong si wang bom lo. Arni wang tame kaprek apor kaprek amarat maring nang tum thek long ji lapan nge wang bom. Nasi labang so arong labang so ason labang so along kacing thurang yi awar sai tame kipi akenang sot mate kirai kom akenang sot pusin nili chinidam.